Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the book back exercise of the lesson 4 to have fun. Fill in the blanks. The activities you do in your leisure time are known as recreational. Leisure time helps you to refresh our body and mind. Games that you play outside are called outdoor games. In school, you play games like cricket, football, and basketball. Ludo and snake and ladder are indoor games. Choose the correct answer. Football, hockey, and cricket are examples of indoor games, boring games, outdoor games, national games. Outdoor games. Which of these activities can we not do at home? Talk to our grandparents, play Ludo, visit the zoo, play video games. Visit the zoo. Which of these is an indoor game? Football, kabaddi, badminton, chess. Chess. At home, we play with our teachers, classmates, family members, friends. Family members. Who among these were not encouraged to play sports earlier? Boys, artists, athletes, girls. Girls. Match the rows. Virat Kohli. Cricket. Football. Outdoor games. Game. Sports. Games played with all rules and in a stadium. Ludo, indoor game. Recreations. Activities undertaken in free time. Write true or false. It is not important to have leisure time. False. For some people, reading books is fun. True. Leisure activities are different for different people. True. Children of different generations enjoy the same leisure activities. False. We can't have any leisure time in school. False. Answer the following questions. What do you mean by leisure time? The time that you spend in doing something that you like is called leisure time. Okay. Why is it important to have leisure time? Because it helps to refresh our bodies and mind. Bodies and minds. How does a family have fun together? Family have fun together while playing with each other and helping with each other. Playing games like chess, ludo and snake and ladder, and cricket, hockey, football, for playing outdoor games also. If there are some people who take a game very seriously, spend lot of time on it and achieve a high standard, they are selected to take a part in tournaments. These are called sports person. Some play sports for living are called professional sports person. So for this the sports become professional. Who are the professional sports person? Professional sports person are the person who plays sports for living. Understood? For this we finished our fourth lesson. We need to have fun. Tomorrow we will see the fifth lesson, work around us. Thank you.